Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a paper toy that spins like a spinner. This is kind of like a fidget toy. It's a really cool model that I like. It's not that hard to make. And the best part is that you don't need scissors or glue. All you need to make this modular origami or 3 squares of paper of the same size. To make it easier to see, I'm going to use 3 different colors. And the recommended size is 15 by 15 centimeters. To make the first piece, you can use a square that has 2 colors, so you can have a better effect. And starting with the main color facing down, our first step is to fold in half along both diagonals, making something like an X. To do this, just bring one corner to the other, like this. Mark a diagonal crease in the middle. Then unfold, and now make the opposite diagonal. Having that done, we have our X. Now we are going to fold it in half vertically. To do this, bring the right side to the left. Reinforce very well. Then we can unfold. And now let's bring both sides to the middle. We can start on the right. Just bring the edge to the vertical crease in the middle. Let's repeat the same step on the left side. Once done, turn the paper over. Now, as next step, we are going to fold the 4 corners. We can start at the top side. You just need to bring half of the top edge to the middle, like this. Then we will repeat the same logic with the other 3 corners. Let's unfold it, turn it over again, and unfold the previous step as well. Next, we need to repeat the same logic, but now horizontally. So we can start by folding the paper in half. Then unfold, bring the bottom and top side to the middle, then turn it over as before. Fold the 4 corners. Unfold these corners. Turn it over again. And now we don't have to unfold. Pay close attention here. Let's hold the left side closed and bring the right edge to the middle, making those 2 flaps go up. Then we do the same thing with the other side. Next, we're going to push each of the flaps down, making them first open and then flatten, turning them into squares. Let's reinforce everything very well, leaving it as straight as possible. And we have our base. Let's rotate in this position. And starting on the top square, let's bring the bottom diagonal edges to the middle, both on the right and the left side. Now we can unfold both, lift the first layer, and using the lines we just made, we'll bring the two sides to the middle, creating a new flap. We can bring this flap up and then reinforce whatever is necessary to make it look better, to make it look straight. And the first flap is ready. Now we need to repeat the same step by step on the others. To do so, just rotate and go to the next square. Bring the two bottom edges to the middle. Then unfold. Using the lines, let's bring both sides to the middle, creating a new flap. Now repeat the same logic with the other two. Rotate now in this position. And we still have four corners in the middle. We just need to fold each one of them, creating a square in the middle. So just bring the first one up. And repeat on the others. Finishing this step, we can bring the four long flaps back to the middle. And the first part is ready. To make the second one, using the next square, let's start by folding it in half vertically. Reinforce very well. Unfold. Now fold in half horizontally. Then let's fold in half along both diagonals. As the next step, let's bring the four corners to the middle. Then turn it over. Repeat the previous step and bring the four corners to the middle again. Turn it over. Repeat the previous step one more time by folding the four corners. Then go back to the other side and fold the four layers from the middle to the corners, creating a new square. The second part is ready. To make the last one is even easier. As before, we start by folding it in half vertically and horizontally. Then we fold along both diagonals. Next, let's bring the four corners to the middle. Repeat this one more time. And then a third time. Finishing this step, let's turn the paper over. And now let's close the paper by pushing the four sides towards the center. We've done the last part. Having the three parts ready, let's first fit the second piece inside the first. So let's put this corner here, inside this space here, below this layer. Repeat the same with the other three corners. After that, we'll fit the third piece inside the second, following exactly the same logic. After finishing this, you'll notice that the base of this origami is a little different, a little more rounded. That's what makes it possible to spin it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, remember to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.